Hey, my name is Anthony Sakari from New York State Solar Farm. I'm sitting here with my colleague Rick Irizarry, and we figured we should make a video about this just in case you haven't heard already. We just wanted to make you aware that if you got a quote from us and the quote was showing a federal tax credit of 26%, that you qualify for 4% more at the 30%. So this is just wasn't anticipated, but it's an added benefit to you going solar this year. It was retroactive. And another question that I'm sure is going to get brought up are people are going to ask, do I have to change my contracts? Does it change anything that we've done? It doesn't. Nothing changes. It's just an added benefit, and however you want to apply that extra 4%, that's fully up to you. So just wanted to make this public service announcement that if you were installed by us and you got a 26% federal tax credit this year, 2022, you qualify for 4% more at a 30% federal tax credit. We'll also include a link in the description of the video that outlines that you could use for sending to your accountant or whoever does your taxes, just with more information on that. Rick, do you want to talk about it a little bit?
Yeah, so back in August, we were all surprised here at New York State Solar Farm that the federal government, the Congress and the president actually passed the IRA bill. The IRA bill was filled with incentives to electrify the United States, and solar was the big winner in that particular bill. So what was scheduled for 2022, the federal tax credit was scheduled to be 26% of the total solar project. And by the passage of that bill, it was extended to 30% going forward for 10 years. The amazing thing was we thought that was great.
Yeah.
But we were totally surprised by the fact that they made it retroactive for 2022, which means that anybody who got installed in 2022 is now eligible for that 30% tax credit instead of the 26% tax credit that they were already on paper for. So that was a huge surprise.
Right.
And we figured that it would be to our advantage to get the word out to the people who were installed previous to August of 2022 that have a 26% tax credit on their contract, that they are eligible for that full 30%.
All right, thanks. Hopefully that was helpful, and congratulations on the extra 4% if you thought you were just getting 26%. We'll talk with you later. This is Anthony and Rick from New York State Solar Farm.